Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, I will be showing you how I make a clone video of myself using Kinemaster app.
First, you need to create two separate videos. Make sure your camera is in the same position.
Now, open Kinemaster app and create a new project. Import your first video on your media files. After that, adjust the timestamp at the start of your first video. Use Layer to import your second video from the media files. From the editing menu, choose cropping to adjust the size of your second video.
Also, turn on mask and adjust feather to remove hard edges. Again, go to editing menu and adjust alpha opacity.
Now this is how it will look like. Review your video and remove unwanted clip. Choose the part that you want to remove and from the trim menu, select split at playhead. Delete your unwanted clip and you're done. Hope you learned a lot from this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching!